Hello, good morning. I am Subhashri Bera. I am from Odisha, Baleshwar. I did my BTech Computer Science from Geeta Autonomous College, Bhubaneswar. Recently, in 2025, by June 16, I came to Jspider Marathahalli branch to join as a Java full stack course. And here I did my SQL class, my Java class, and here so many trainers are there in Java. In Java, Ramana sir, Ravi sir, Giri sir, so many trainers are there. They helped me so much to how to study, how to grow, how to how to did my communication, how to grow my communication knowledge. And they did presentation class to how to communicate in that interviews, how to did everything. And they did so many mock interviews. By there, through them only I did got P1 in every mock. And after that I attended 10 to 12 interviews. And lastly I got placed